This is Judy from MAXIZM. Today we are at the Qingdao Port and we will deliver 5 units bulldozer to our clients. This bulldozer model is SD16 SHANTUI brand. SHANTUI is one of the most famous bulldozer manufacturer in China. This bulldozer operating weight is 17 tons and the radial capacity plate is 4.3 cubic meters. It can also equate with straight blade, angle blade, U-shaped blade, rock blade, or curved blade for different working conditions. The SD16 has equipped WEICHAI engine. This engine has the rated power is 131 kilowatts or 160 horsepower. This engine featuring high efficiency, strong power, and low maintenance cost. As for the dozer traction, the width of this traction is 56 centimeters. It has 38 tractions for each side. Look at the cabin. The cabin provides super large interior space and broad vision, electronic control hands, and foot accelerate guarantee. This have accurate and comfortable operations. You can also choose air conditioning and heating system if you need. Well, that's all of the brief introduction of the SD16 bulldozer. Besides bulldozer, our company also provides truck runs, excavators, loaders, road rollers, dump truck, and so on. And we have cooperated with many famous brands such as SCMG and Judy and so on. If you have any needs, please contact me. See you next time.